David Potts. I'm the founder and CEO of CloudQix. As a founder and developer who's built an OMS system, I've also lived the pain and difficulty of managing hundreds of API connections for various different clients. Having developed the API connections the old way we did it, what we found was we had really good design patterns and we had really good engineers, and we could build reusable connections that were high quality. As a solution, we decided to build CloudQix as the integration platform. And our challenge to our engineering teams was take everything we used to do in code and put this into an integration platform as a service, where we could use non-engineers to actually build connections for our clients. And the second thing we wanted to also do with this, besides simplifying the connections, handling the workflows and making it really easy to build connections, is we can make connection changes, we can update workflows, we can fix data structures, we can add new connections with no impact to the software release schedule and no impact to our customers. Updating software has a big impact. There's the build, test, and release cycle on our side, but there's also an impact on your customers because they're getting a new release. They might be anxious about having to put a new release in the middle of a busy season. A lot of companies provide APIs that you can connect to, so you can connect system A to system B. Both vendors say, I have an API. Who's responsible for making sure the APIs work, the authentication, the security of those APIs, how is the connection between the two systems being monitored? As a developer, SalesRep is really benefiting from CloudQix as a platform. So instead of building a custom API for every third-party connection we have a single connection for all of our main functions. And that applies to any other software company like SalesRep. You can get the same benefit. You can install our CloudQix SDK with a single line of code. You have a secure connection from your platform to CloudQix. And now with a single connection, you can talk to any other third-party system. Integration timelines used to be sort of the bane of our existence in the past. Customers complain about why does it take 2 weeks or 4 weeks to add a third-party system. 2 weeks to 4 weeks for us has moved down to hours and days. CloudQix can help any company that's struggling with the complexity of their current integrations, the cost, the complex APIs, the workflows, and so on. So we hope to give you some of your time back and hopefully save you a lot of cost with your integrations. Visit cloudquix.com and start building connections for free.